Hi, today I wanted to share a quick tip how to better understand and leverage integrations that are available in low-code, no-code platform Make, formerly Integromat. I've been using Make for a while, and I'm really impressed by a sheer range of integrations they provide. As you can see, it's close to 1,400 different services and applications you can then use in your scenarios. Uh, for example, Google Calendar. If I delete this and even search for Google Calendar, uh, I get a ton of actions I can choose from, and each of them serves a different purpose. If you ever wondered whether there is a list of applications that somewhere available with all the details, interfaces, etc., then the quick answer is no, but it's absolutely possible to compile such a list and maintain it. And that's exactly what I've done. Um, I've created a list of all the applications or integrations that there currently are in Make. This list is essentially based on someone else's work. Someone else in the community provided a list of applications, the latest, greatest of what Make has to offer in the community forum, and I turned it into this table. The table is completely searchable, so I can search for Google Calendar. Um, or perhaps I can search for Slack or anything else, Microsoft, uh, anything else. And I'll get some basic information about that particular app. On this page, I don't get much. I only get the icon, its name, quick description, and more importantly, whether it's in beta and whether it has been publicly released or not. However, if I click on that on the row in the table, I will get more detailed information, and that should correspond to what I can find on the Make's website. So this is .x templater. Let me just copy the name, search for it. Okay, I'll just say .x. Oh, it's not even. Oh, maybe perhaps it's just Microsoft. Let me see. Microsoft Word. Two modules. All right, maybe I didn't pick the best app, but let me just try with Slack. I query Slack. I will get this detail if I go to the website. Search for Slack. I can see that there are 35 actions, 7 triggers. If I go to this list, there are 36 actions, there are 9 triggers. It might be that the website is slightly dated. And then I can explore each of these items and get some information about what it does and what input does it require, etc., etc. That can be tremendously useful for someone who is trying to automate the automation, so to speak. So if you are a programmer or developer who's looking to generate some scenarios using Make, or understand how Make works and what's possible to do with it, then this could be a good start for you. So that's that. This just might, a very quick and simple contribution to the community. This list is obviously a complement. It's not to replace what's stated on the Make's website. Make's website is always the first place you should go to see like the latest state of integrations. but my website could be considered like a complement to it. This list is static. I will do my best to keep it up to date, upload, re-upload the list of applications that are available in Make. What's behind each of these items that is not manually maintained, that relies on an API call, and that API call should return the latest state of that particular service or application. So this is a tool intended for developers like myself who are looking to better understand Make and improve the way how they automate or create automations using that platform. So I'll share the link in the description section below. I hope this was useful for you. Please let me know what you think, and if there's anything you feel should be done differently, or whether I shall add more features to it. Your feedback is highly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.